Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Greenote air purifier for home. Here, based on the Amazon listing, it says it fits for rooms up to 430 square feet. Has a 3-layer H13 true HEPA filter and has settings down to 22 decibels, super quiet, purifies 99.97% of smoke, dust, pollen, pet, odor, mold, cooking smell, and so on. Has a lot of very good reviews on Amazon. It's an intermediate size air purifier and it's looking really good, so I hope I can show you that. Here it's still pretty large. I mean, I've seen larger ones which are much more expensive, smaller ones which only fit for very small rooms, so I think this could be a perfect size for large bedrooms or even living rooms. Also comes with this warranty card and you get some support. You can see they have their homepage, so it's not like just any no-name company. We have this support information, warranty card. According to the Amazon listing, they offer a 2-year warranty. The manual comes in English, German, French, Italian, Spanish and Japanese. Yeah, it has 15 pages. I think that's a little bit too much to show you everything, but I mean, it's not rocket science. It's an air purifier and should be pretty simple to operate, but I'm going to show you that. Here we get the power adapter, and as you can see, it comes very well protected, nicely packaged, so you don't have to be worried that it's damaged during shipping. Before we start the air purifier for the first time, we have to remove the packaging from the filter. So we turn it counterclockwise and remove the filter and remove the packaging. And this is of course also what you have to do if you have to replace the filter after some time. As far as I know, the filter lasts for around 3,000 hours. The good thing, by the way, here we see the model type, it's AP10. And what's also important to know is that we have these soft rubber feet, so you don't damage any sensitive floor or other surface. And yeah, the good thing, it has some indicator here on top which will tell you when it's time to replace the filter. Plugging in is very easy here on the back. We are now almost ready to use it. Of course, we want to remove this sticker here as well, so it's looking even more nicely. And to operate is also very easy. We have the on-off button here in the middle, and then it goes to the setting which you have been using last time. Then we have the speed selector on the left side. There are 3 different speeds. So we have here the lowest setting, which I'm going to show you later on because it's so amazing, so quiet. We have the medium setting, which I would probably use during the night, normal usage, and then the high power setting where you can feel that's really strong, especially after some specific occasions like after heavy cooking or so. And then let's go down to the lowest setting, because the lowest setting, this is what I like the most. This is absolutely amazing. They are talking about 22 decibels. I think this could be even lower because it's almost impossible to hear. I haven't seen any such quiet air purifier. This is absolutely amazing, and that's one of the most important functions, that you have a setting which is so low that you can sleep. I mean, here you could definitely sleep right next to the thing. I mean, it's almost impossible to hear. We are so close and it's almost impossible to hear anything. And you could even use this sleep setting, which is the same, it's the lowest level, but everything is turned off, all the lights. So let's go back to the normal setting, and we have also this timer, which is easy to use. We have either 2 hours, 4 hours and 8 hours. Everything really easy to see, easy to use. All the buttons, you can see them, they are illuminated, not too much, so you are not disturbed or so, but still you can see everything nicely. And also another cool stuff of this air purifier is the low power consumption. I brought this power meter here, and you can see when we go to the watts, you can see that the lowest setting is around 1 watt. Sometimes it's even below, so when we stay at this for a longer time, it's pretty close to 1 watt. So the question is, how much power is it consuming then over the course of a year? How much cost will you have to face over a year? And I can tell you, I have done the calculation a couple of times because I almost couldn't believe how low this is. Some people would say, yeah, this costs $100 to run the whole year. No, this is, when you run it on this level, it's 88 cents in the state where I'm living. Okay, we have a rather low electricity price. It's just 10 cents per kilowatt hours, but it's not incredibly low. But it is 88 cents only. And if you go into medium, then it's about 3 watts, which means of course it's about $3. And when you go to the highest settings, even in the highest setting, when it's using around 10 watts, we can see that close to 10 watts, and this would only cost around $8 or $9 the whole year. So you definitely don't have to be worried about cost, and the filter lasts for a long time. This is amazing, really fantastic air purifier, and I can highly recommend it. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.